Hello GCSE students, you must start preparing yourself now for the GCSE exam. Whether you are in year 9 or year 10, it's very important that you must start preparing yourself for the GCSE exam now. And I'm going to tell you like why it makes 10 times easier if you start preparing yourself right now. You will get plenty of time to cover the full content. You can go through the past papers. You can go on different websites such as Physics and Math Tutors or Math Genie or Exam Board website or BBC Bytes website or Math Drill website or Save My Exam website. So you'll get plenty of time. So remember, make a proper schedule. Start preparing yourself for the real exam. And don't think that, oh, it's too far, I have plenty of time. No, the time passes very quickly. It's very important that you must make a schedule and start studying right now. This is very important. And I myself, I offer GCSE classes. A lots of my students, they have got really good grades in their GCSEs. I will highly recommend you to start preparing yourself right now for the GCSE exam. Otherwise, it will be too late. Now is the time when we can cover the full content. We can do practice papers, we can do past papers, we can do predictive papers. We can also go through the websites and we can exactly assess you. I can assess you exactly like how much you can improve and how you can improve as well. So please remember to contact me if you are appearing for a GCSE level exam in next year or and in next couple of years. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.